The Redmi K20 Pro has a 7th generation optical in-display fingerprint scanner. And today we are going to talk about how to get the most and the best results from that fingerprint scanner. Hi, my name is Mitchell. Before we go into this tutorial, I want to thank everyone that uses my affiliate links. Without your continued support, I couldn't keep the channel going. If you're looking to pick up this device or any tech device, you can support my channel just by using those affiliate links at no cost to you. I have been a lot more active on Twitter talking about the Redmi K20 Pro, tech I use, and just generally interacting with you guys on a bigger platform. I've recently started a new Instagram page, Xiaomi Photography, where I share your submitted photos and video captured with your Xiaomi Redmi device. Okay, you guys know the drill. You want to read some interesting articles similar to what we have on this channel? Check out my website. You guys want to chat? Hit the Telegram group. And let's just jump into this. So before we go into this tutorial, it's important to understand how optical in-display fingerprint scanners work, some of the tech behind them, so that we can maximize that. Now, essentially how an optical in-display fingerprint scanner works is we have a camera embedded underneath the display of the device, and it uses light bouncing off of your finger to go ahead and match up an image of your fingerprint to images saved in the phone's database. Knowing this is important because we can maximize the in-display fingerprint scanner in two ways. First, when most people buy a device and set it up for the first time, not everyone is going to have a tempered glass screen protector already put on the device before they set it up. That means when you go ahead and register your fingerprints originally, you're probably doing it on a bare display, one without a fingerprint scanner. That's important because anytime you add a layer of glass in between a camera and the outside world or the image that it's capturing, it changes even so slightly the image that it's capturing. This is something I can attest to with my 15 plus years of professional photography experience and using different filters on my lenses. The second thing that we can learn from this is adding more and more variety of fingerprints to the database of our phone is going to give us a higher likelihood of unlocking our phone on the first attempt. So we're going to go ahead, jump down into the phone view right now, and let's go. So first, we're going to go ahead and just see how quickly it unlocks my device just with the fingerprints that I have in right now. It is important to note that the fingerprints that I do have programmed into the device are the ones I did before I put the tempered glass screen protector on. I deleted all the old prior fingerprints that I had registered before making this video. And we're just going to have the display on just so that you guys can get an idea for kind of how quickly this works. So pretty fast. Let's do that again. Just to go ahead and kind of wake it up, make sure I hit it correctly. So as you guys can see, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Let's try and see if I can hit it directly again on the first time. Okay, pretty fast. And just kind of pretty good overall. But let's go ahead and try deleting the fingerprints that we have. And now we have no fingerprints. Add fingerprint. Now when we do this, we are going to first make sure that we have our finger perfectly flat on the display, and then we're going to add it again, but when we add it the second time, we're going to do it a little bit different. Now we're going to add the same finger, but notice how I position the finger when I do this. So we're going to add the fingerprint. Okay. Now I'm going to try to use only the very, very tip, as in this area of my thumb, to go ahead and activate the fingerprint scanner. And let's try using the side. And let's go ahead and use the other side. Let's do the bottom of your thumb, this area. Now let's see how quick it is. Let's try that again. I mean, I'm not even hitting my finger directly on the same spot, and you guys can already see that I have massively increased the speed in which I'm able to unlock the device. As you guys can see, by adding our fingerprints in a variety of positions, you can speed up how quickly it reads your fingerprint. Also, it is worth noting, if you do intend on using a tempered glass screen protector on the device, for maximum results, you should be programming a new fingerprint in every time you change the screen protector, just because of minor differences in how the screen protectors transmit light. Okay, let's take this back up top. Okay, back up top. I know for a lot of you guys that this is kind of redundant, or many of you may already know that programming multiple of the same fingerprints into your device will increase the speed, but not everybody does. And in my Telegram communities that I run and that I'm a part of, a fair amount of people didn't know about this. And this is in an enthusiast community. And when I brought this up, some people were surprised. So I thought it was worth making a YouTube video about. Hopefully you guys appreciate that and you check out my other videos about the Redmi K20 Pro, tech in general, and I'll leave some videos linked up here. It really supports my channel if you click on these links at the end of the videos, because it tells YouTube that you're watching more YouTube videos. As always, if you guys want to interact with me on a larger scale, hit the Twitter. If you want to go ahead and check out written content, check the website, and just generally in the description down below, I have a lot of useful links. Okay, till next time guys, it's been Mitchell coming to you from Hanoi. Talk to you soon.